Bombay Wala, your guide and mentor for organic chemistry, and we are going to talk about in this reaction halogenation of oils. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हम लोग halogenation of oils भी पढ़ने वाले हैं और halogenation of oils का importance क्या है, why are we talking about this reaction, what is this reaction used for, right? So we are going to use it for to determine iodine value. ठीक है, दोनों ऐसे बोल सकते हैं, एक ही चीज के दो नाम हैं, आयोडीन वैल्यू बोल के पढ़िए या हैलोजिनेशन ऑफ ऑयल्स बोल के पढ़िए, बात एक ही है. ठीक है, सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड द रिएक्शन फर्स्ट एंड देन वी टॉक अबाउट इट्स एप्लीकेशन, राइट? This application that we are going to talk about is nothing but these are called as the analytical constants, the analytical aspects of lipids. There are various analytical aspects जो हम इसके आगे सारे वीडियोस में कवर करने वाले हैं. तो ये हमारा लास्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी और फर्स्ट एनालिटिकल टेस्ट ऐसे समझ के चलिए. ठीक है, दिस पर्टिकुलर रिएक्शन. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हैलोजिनेशन. अब इस रिएक्शन का बेस समझिए. सिंपल रिएक्शन अल्कीन का CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 अगर अल्कीन रहे एंड इट अंडरगोज हैलोजिनेशन, मान लीजिए आयोडीन के साथ, तो इट इज नथिंग बट बिकॉज इट इज अ डबल बॉन्डेड कंपाउंड इट विल शो एडिशन रिएक्शन एंड आई विल गेट CH2 and CH2I. This is how addition reaction in alkenes occur, right? Hydrogenation, halogenation, addition of HI etc. across the double bond दो ग्रुप आके ऐड हो जाते हैं. यही सेम रिएक्शन है when we are applying to oils, right? Oils मतलब unsaturated lipids. See, let me write an example here. Again, I will write my glycerol CH2, right? Oxygen. This is my glycerol and it is attached to my fatty acid. I will take example of oleic acid only, मतलब triglyceride of oleic acid, which is a unsaturated fatty acid, right? So let me write the oleic acid CH2 7 times CH double bond CH2 7 times and CH3. The same chains are here also because it is a simple triglyceride, right? The same chains of oleic acid. Now what is our point? It is nothing but how iodine gets added across the double bond. Where is the double bond? The double bond is here, right? So there are 3 such double bonds in the second chain and in the third chain also. Okay. What do I have here? Iodine, right? How many molecules? 3 molecules. Because there are 3 chains. Let me write it only. CH2 7 times, CH double bond CH, CH2 7 times, CH3, CH2 7 times, CH double bond CH, CH2 7 times, CH3. Correct? Now iodine will get added. What do I get? See, CH2, CH, CH2, O, 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 this part, glycerol. C double bond O, C double bond O. And what remains is CH2 7 times. Across this double bond CH, single bond CH, iodine is added. I have this CH2 with the 7 time and CH3. That is my oleic acid. The same sequence I will have CH2 7 times CH, single bond CH. Both the iodines are added across this double bond. CH2 7 times and CH3. The same will happen with the third double bond. CH2 7 times CH, CH. Iodine is getting added on both the sides. CH2 7 times and CH3. This is what is reaction called as halogenation. अब आप immediately इससे इसका application खुद ही समझ सकते हैं कि the amount of halogen that is added, right, is the measure of the number of double bonds that are present. It is a measure of unsaturation that is present. अगर मान लीजिए जो भी फैटी एसिड है उसमें 10 डबल बॉन्ड होंगे तो आयोडीन के 10 डबल बॉन्ड्स हैं तो आयोडीन के उतने ही मॉलिक्यूल्स यूटिलाइज हो जाएंगे. because across each double bond one molecule of iodine will be required. So that is a direct measure of unsaturation. That is a direct measure of unsaturation. और यही जब हम measurement करते हैं analytical constants में, we call it as iodine value. You call it as iodine value, right? In our next video, we will talk more about iodine value. How do we measure iodine value? Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'll just move out so that you can write the reaction, take a screenshot and write the reaction. Keep watching.